Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix app crashes and freezes. One of the most frustrating experiences for iPhone users is when an app suddenly crashes or freezes in the middle of use. Whether you are in the middle of a conversation, game or an important task, this issue can disrupt your workflow and cause major inconvenience. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First step is force quit the app. If an app is frozen or unresponsive, try force quitting it and reopening it. For this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle to open the app switcher and tap left or right to find the app, and then swipe up on the app preview to force quit it. And you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. A quick restart can resolve many software issues including app crashes and freezes. For this, you just need to go to settings and then choose general. Scroll down. Here you will see the option of shutdown. Tap on it. A slider will appear, so slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is update the app. Outdated versions of app can cause crashes and freezes due to bugs or incompatibility with the latest iOS version. To ensure you have running most stable version of the app, for this open the App Store on your iPhone and then tap on your profile in the top right corner. Next, scroll down to the available update section and look for the app in questions. Tap update if an update is available, or you can tap on update all to update all the apps. Updating the app can often resolve performance issues and bugs that cause crashes. And you are done. And the next step is check for iOS updates. Running an outdated version of iOS can cause compatibility problems with apps leading to crashes or freezes. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. For this, go to settings and then choose general option and choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS, and you are done. And the next step is clear app cache and data. Over time, apps accumulate cache and data that can become corrupted or cause performance issue. Although iOS doesn't have a built-in cache clearing functions, you can delete and reinstall the app to clear its cache. For this, go to settings and then go to general option and choose iPhone storage. Next, scroll down, find the app that causing issue, then tap on it, and then choose offload app and then tap on offload again to confirm, or you can tap on delete app to remove it completely, and you are done. And the next step is reinstall the app. If clearing the cache doesn't work, reinstalling the app might be the solution. Hold down on the app icon in your home screen until a menu appears, and then tap on remove app, then choose delete app from here. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for the app and reinstall it. Reinstalling app can often fix persistent crashing or freezing issue, and you are done. And the next step is free up storage space. Go to settings. Next, go to general option and choose iPhone storage. To see how much space is left, if storage is low, delete unnecessary apps, media files, or use iCloud to backup photos and videos, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix app crashes and freezes on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.